Hello guys, if you don't have a Lua right now, what you could do is you could to one compiler.com or search up Lua online. So first, what we're gonna do is to make a variable, you do var is equal to 12 or a variable name. Then to actually for word, what I probably did, you could do var to get the output of it. And then you could do 17. And not limited to just numbers, you could do words or sentences too. You could do word is this. Now we could do loops. So for that was basically a range. You could do that, which prints out 10. Or if you take this a step farther, we can introduce tables. So we could do tab equal to that, play, or is equal to player, num is equal to 10, right out 12, then n is equal to 5. I forgot putting this part was really important, also won't work. You can also do over here when some programming languages might not. But now we can do tab than that to interact with it, to access data. Because apparently you're not allowed to interact with it like that. So you gotta do for index, then value, then pair, then tab. Yeah, in pairs. See, it works. So that's the basic loop. And that's like two loops you could do. This is a good loop, but like it's not the most efficient because it's calling a function. So now we can move on to functions. So let's say we want to automate this. So let's do function, actually local function. You could actually do that. Unlike other languages like C and C+. Let's do print table. And if you're in a coder like VS Code, we will do param a table and also some number. But you can also search this up. So like I can't do well without a six text highlighting. So now you can do copy this part. This is probably the best part of coding, which you can copy stuff easily. And just print it there. Just have to indent it. And then we could do print. Actually, no, you don't have to do that. You do print at num. You could do tab. And you can run it again. It just does its different order because it's a pairs. Then I'm pretty sure if you do I pairs, yeah, I need syntax highlighting, or else I won't go do well. But it's just random, so yeah. And now, if you want to do comment, you just do like double this. You could do right to do make better. Okay, so now I want to actually explain local versus global. So local is just in the scope. So if we could do function this, then we could have actually this isn't really guides example because I can't really do the thing. Oh, I think this might be a good example. So if print local x is equal to that, then n, then print x. See, it's a nil. But if we do x equal to that, it'll be a public, or so this is basically the C equivalent of public. Then this will be private, because the reason why this doesn't work because this is making it private in this scope, so you can only use this variable in this scope. And then if you don't have this at all, it'll be still better to use that. But if you need this, you need to remove that part. And also, it's also better to use if you do this, because if you do if you do it directly, like x plus 1, actually x is equal to x plus 1, it's actually worse than just doing y is equal to, actually no, not in this case. But if you're using it, then use it a lot, like in pairs. You could do I is equal to x, then do whatever you need to do, so like print I pairs, then okay, let's get into tables. So we could do tab equal to that. We could do player is equal to, actually no, let's do string is equal to that. Wait, what am I to putting one? Then it's important that I add the comma or else it won't work. And print tab if it wants to work, but some stuff just doesn't want to work. I feel like it would work, but like then you get that, then you can also do a dictionary, I'm pretty sure. And then that, then hi. Actually, I need to edit this video properly. Yep. So that's how you make a dictionary. So dictionary uses a string to call it, but table is just like why should be for a player, or actually you could just do this 12 hello, and they may be wondering how do you actually access that. We do is do table 2, then let's just say 2 for hello, and that works. So yeah, that's the end of the tutorial. It was informational. Hopefully you can actually learn something and give me your input. Hopefully this video does well. Hopefully I actually made a good video so I can actually edit this well,